What's going on, YouTube? How's all the beautiful people? Well, I'm going to show you guys how to replace a battery in now this particular one is a 600 series, but I don't reckon it's too much different for all of them. So. Well, let's get into it. I'm just gonna turn this beauty upside down. Okay, yeah, she's dirty. And my flash is on for some reason. Alright, I'm back. All you're gonna do, screw, 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 and the brush. Now I've already replaced this, but after the fact I thought, hey, I ought to make a little video about that. Alright, once you've made it to this point, I'm just going to pull that little cover off right there, like that, get rid of it. Okay, now this is the new battery, but once you get that cover out of the way, look at there, that's it. There's the old one that I pulled out. Easy sleazy, okay? You can buy these on Amazon. I believe this particular one was 20 bucks, so. You just set it in like that, kind of tuck your little doohickeys in out of the way. Probably not even necessary, but whatever. Grab your cover. This is a good time to get in there and vacuum everything out, get all the unnecessary crap out of the way, but you don't have to. About once a year this thing gets torn apart and worked over pretty good, so I'm just gonna put the top back on it, or the bottom. Now this brush, and the kit that I came with two brushes, so you just get it set down on there and line up the little hex on the bottom with the shaft and run her down. Ain't going anywhere. And that's it. You heard it fire back up. Turn it, flip it back over. Oh, look, she's got power. Now, those brushes have quite a bit of a bend to them, so you just want to make sure that they're good to go and in order. So there you go. That is a battery replacement on a 600 series Roomba. That's the new one there. Yeah, that's the one that's got the sucker on it. All right. Like and sub. Appreciate y'all joining in. We'll catch you on the next one.